Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today in the short video you will learn how to make an element or a container sticky on the page using free Elementor. So as you know, in Elementor Pro we can make a section or column sticky on a page, but in this video I'll show you how you can achieve the same functionalities using a free plugin and free Elementor. This can be used for any element, any container, or especially for the header. And the best part is this plugin also has a header builder, using which you can create an Elementor header and then you can make it sticky. The plugin that we will be using in this video is JIC Elementor Kit. This plugin has lots of cool essential widgets available. You can see accordion, icon boxes, testimonial slider, progress bar, fun picked, and all these. We also have widgets like product grid, product carousel, categories, banners, and then sticky elements that we will be using in this video. And as I mentioned, it also has global styling option and also header and footer templates. So let's see this in action, and you just need to install this in your WordPress. I have done it. This is just a dummy website, and you can see I'm using free Elementor and that plugin JIC Elementor. If I go to plugins, we have that plugin and Elementor. Okay. Now if I go to this plugin, you will see some global styles that you can create. Then we have user data where you can integrate MailChimp, and under elements we have all the elements that we can enable and disable and we can use in Elementor. Then we also have templates for header, footer, and 404 page. So let's see the sticky functionality first. I'll go to pages and let's edit any page with Elementor. Let's say home page. And as I mentioned, you can use the sticky functionality for any element, for the header, footer, for any container. It's up to you. This is just like Elementor Pro. Okay. Let's try this section to be sticky on this page. Okay. I'll edit this whole container. We'll go to its advanced tab. And when you scroll down, you will see these two options from that plugin, glass blur effect and sticky elements. So let's go to sticky element, and you can enable sticky element for this container. Now the first thing is on which device, so we can have on desktop or we can select tablet and mobile as well. And then the sticky trigger, this will be on scroll down. So if I am scrolling this page down, this container will be sticky. Okay. And you can decide a top position for it as well. Let's say 100 pixel. Then if you want, you can change the container background on scroll, and you can hide this on scroll, and this is the Z index, which is fine. You can also give this container a box shadow. The main aim of this video is the sticky element, so let's apply it. Now let's change this to on both just to show you, and I'll publish it. And let's preview this page. Now you can see this is sticky. If I am scrolling down, you can notice it. Okay. So this is how this sticky elements or sticky functionality work. Now if I scroll all the way to the bottom, this will be hidden. Okay, because the position is sticky to this container. Now to make it sticky on the whole page, we will use the position fixed property. Okay, let's go back and let's change it to scroll down, and instead of sticky position we will choose fixed. Now this will be fixed, leaving 100 pixel at the top. Okay, let's publish it, preview again. Now if I scroll down, you can see 100 pixel above and it's sticky on the whole page. So this is how you can make a container sticky. Now you can follow the same for this icon box, for the heading, for the button, and so on. But in most cases we use this for the header. Okay, so let's disable it, and let me quickly create a header to show you. Okay. So I'll go back to this website dashboard, and I'll go to this plugin header. Let's add a new header. I'll call this custom header. Let's add a condition to display this header on all site or only on single or archive page. Okay. You can add another condition if you want to, then create it. And we created a header template. Let's edit it. Again, this is by using free Elementor. Okay, and let's quickly create a header. So I'll just click on this plus. We'll use a click box of having 3 columns, and here we will add a logo. We may not have logo option, Okay, so let's use an image and let's use the white logo, and I'll change the container background to be black. Let's align this to center and let's search for menu. We have no menu from that plugin, so I'll just use that. And let's use main menu. The direction will be horizontal, which is fine. Let's go to style tab to change the item color, and on hover we'll give it a different color. We'll align this to the right side, and here we can add, let's say, a button. And this is just to show you, okay? And let's say this is our header now. I'll just publish it, and let's check this on the website. Let's reload it. We got our header, but this is not sticky, so let's make it sticky. I'll edit the whole header, go to advanced, and sticky elements will enable sticky, and on scroll down this will be fixed on the top, and for the top position we will say 0. We'll publish it. Let's check again. Now you can see the header is sticky on the top, and in this way you can achieve the sticky element functionality in free Elementor. Again, this is the plugin that you can use for different purposes, and I hope you will find this video helpful. To learn more about WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce, you can follow my channel. Still, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.